Hey guys, today I will be walking you through my new vegan Philz Mint Mojito copycat recipe. It's a pretty simple recipe actually. You'll start off with some mint leaves. If you're asking how much to add, I'd recommend at least 6 stems. You can take the leaves off, but I left them on because it's a little easier to remove later. Next, you'll add in 2 packets of sugar. I like my drink a little semi-sweet, so you'll need to muddle the mint leaves next, which basically means that you'll gently mash it to extract some of the juices from the leaves. I'm using like the end of an ice cream scooper, but you can use a spoon or whatever works really. Some people don't like eating mint leaves, so if you're one of those, just be careful not to break up your mint leaves into like small pieces. Once it's done, it'll look a little darker like this. And then next, you'll grab your coffee. So I'm using a medium roast here, 1 cup of coffee. I've tried a light roast as well and I enjoyed that too. Stir it a little bit to help the sugar dissolve. And then grab your milk. I'm using an Oatly normal oat milk here. Feel free to use soy milk or almond milk if that's your preference. And then I add in 1/4 cup of oat milk, which would be the equivalent of 2 ounces. If you like your drink a little more milky, feel free to add more or less. So once you add it in, you'll stir it again, and this is basically the recipe for the Philz Mint Mojito copycat. A lot of recipes out there will tell you to throw some ice into a shaker with your drink and then shake it until it chills. But for those who are like me, who may not have ice readily available, you can always do what I do and put some saran wrap over the top of your cup and then toss it in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes. If you forget about it in there and some ice forms on the top, I think that's perfectly fine too. The flavor is still great and you'll still enjoy your drink. If you don't want the mint leaves getting in your way of your drink, you can take it out now before drinking, or you can just toss a straw in there and drink that way as well. Anyways, there you have it, your vegan Philz Mint Mojito copycat. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button below and subscribe to my channel to see more.